Hello everybody out there, this is Brad Dyke just reaching out to you to share some new information in regards to this incredible piece of recycled server hardware known as a Google search engine. In actuality, this particular piece of hardware is actually known as a Dell Series 720DX chassis, which has quite a bit of resource inside it as you look at it, and you can see within it how much it does truly look like a DX Series 720 platform. But with this, I'm going to show you some interesting ins and outs on how to work with these machines, and also because I have two of these units, one in operation down here, and one here that is actually basically not a good working chassis. So in these next 3 or 4 parts, I will show you the ins and outs of this chassis, how to bypass some of the firmware related issues with them, and basically bring a 26 core 64 gig platform operationally. And of course it's driven by 2.5 inch SAS and SATA disks of any kind, by the way. So it's a great surplus warehouse for being a NAS platform. All right, we'll now progress to part 1.